What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the motherfucking channel. Wow, we are starting off heavy with the cuss words today. Yes, I am starting today's video off literally 20 minutes after I stopped filming yesterday's video. We are on the way to see somebody I've been trying to work with for a just a long time, and we're finally being able to take words, bring it into existence, and be able to work with certain people. Nifty Nichols, one of the best detailers, if not the best detailer in all of Atlanta. I'm going to meet up with him. I'm actually going to his house. I'm meeting him and Zach of the tent shop. Zach's tinting a car over there, and I'm gonna go hang out with them while Zach's tinting whatever car. It's like a Mercedes Maybach, some kind of crazy nice car. And Zach's got the opportunity to go tint that today. So we're headed over there to hang out with them, chop it up, and just kind of hang out. We got something big going on the channel today, a very big topic of discussion that I'm gonna jump into a little bit, maybe with them, maybe later on. But I really had some time to do some soul searching last weekend. I went home for a couple days, really got my mind right, really just mentally got myself put back together, and I got something big planned for you guys. And something, as my birthday is actually, you guys will see this video, today is my birthday. So if you guys drop some birthday wishes below, drop some bread emojis for my birthday in the comments below, that would mean a lot to me. 23 years old today, blessed to see it. Today, when I'm filming this video, is actually not my birthday, but when you guys see this, it will be my birthday or past. So thank you guys so much for the support on the channel and all the birthday wishes. But you know, we hit 10K yesterday on the channel. My birthday is tomorrow, and you know, we're hitting 100 days straight on the vlog in 2 days, and it just, everything's coming together all at one time, and it just, I can't be more grateful for you guys, so thank you so much. But stay tuned, it's gonna be a good video. We'll jump into that more later on.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't
So believe it or not, I am at the infamous or famous, whichever way you look at it, house of the man himself, Nifty fucking Nichols. Super blessed to finally get the opportunity to come by. He's got his new guy that works with him as well. The ooh, silver gang. I love the silver trucks. I need chrome wheels now, really bad. I need chrome wheels really badly now. But look at this setup in here. Look at this freaking setup. I mean, the video's not gonna do it justice at all, but look at the setup that he's got going on here with this copyright music going on. The lighting in here is absolutely insane. Got a little podcast setup over here is what it looks like. Little podcast setup. I'm telling you, and this is like 5 minutes from the tent shop. We are going to be over here more on a regular basis. I promise you that.
We just need to take the time to set everything else up. These are Amazon lights.
Look at this lighting.
The square lights.
I asked earlier. I was like, dude, I have the same
These are
light.
$20
lighting.
Home Depot lights.
This looks like a podcast setup over here is what it looks like. Little podcast area.
It's nifty, huh?
I'm telling you.
Ooh.
That right there.
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
I don't have one that I can follow up. I can't follow up here. I can't follow up here. That one's taken. Bow time's taken. I can't follow up here. I'm gonna just let that one be.
Oh, was that the real taken? Bow time?
Yeah, Bojangles.
I was like,
That's
damn,
Bojangles,
that
yeah.
was good, bro.
Bow time. Yeah. Hell of a good time chopping it up with my boys. Huge shout out to Nifty Nichols and Zach of EXZACT Window Tinting, 2 bosses in the making. The team is going the fuck up. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You know I had to stop and get my chocolate milk. All they had was the protein power, so. This is what I get to come home to. More messed up door. More messed up blinds. I wonder who did that. Oh, and that's not even all of it. He ripped the rod off the wall up there, and to finish it off, ripped the blinds off of this one too. Not to mention, already ripping the blinds off of those over there as well. Oh, what a good boy you are, huh? What's up, guys? Before we jump into today's video, before we jump into the title of the video, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, the Beanie Light, the Beanie freaking Light. Yes, you guys, you have a beanie, LED light, Beanie Light. It's freaking amazing. I'm not needing that anymore, because why? Because I have a beanie light. That's why. If you're working outside, honestly, these products are great for mechanics that work at night or anything like that, but even more so, fishing at night, really important. Camping, when you're out in the woods and stuff and it's dark, these products are absolutely amazing. The quality is great, very thick, nice, warm material, and the LED light is actually very freaking bright. You got 3 different level settings, and it comes apart so you can actually buy other ones if you need to. It's hand sewed in with a leather patch around it. I mean, these things are awesome. This is the first time I literally just opened the box and took a look at this thing, and I absolutely love it. So make sure you guys follow them on Instagram at Beanie Light or at the Beanie Light, whichever it is. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Go check them out. Link is in the description below to their Instagram. Tell them I sent you. Tell them the Bread Gang sent you, and you know, maybe they'll hook you up. But make sure to check them out on Instagram. So before we jump, actually we are jumping in to the video now. So I don't like it that way. So what are we gonna do? Today's day 98. And I really think we can't just stop at 100. We really, what is my dog barking at? My dog is really barking up there, hold on. It's like dealing with children. I got 4 children in the house up there playing with each other and barking their faces off. Anyway, we can't just stop at 100 days. I feel like stopping at 100 days kills our momentum, absolutely just kills everything we've worked for. We hit 10,000 yesterday or the day before, whichever it was, and we got 2 days left. Tomorrow's my birthday. Saturday's day 100. Sunday we got a big huge truck meet, truck show, car show, whatever the hell it is here in Atlanta. So the next couple of days are gonna be some really big, awesome days. And I'm sitting here thinking, I took last weekend off, went back to Florida, and really just gathered myself mentally, physically, everything, and just wanted to get myself in the right frame of mind to really make a good decision, because this can go either way. I can either start this 365-day challenge and it just fall apart and I lose everything, and you know, it gets in between me and my relationships, and just it can go bad. Or mentally, if we get on the right track and we get a good system going, we can really give it a shot to go 365 days. And after I've literally been given this thought every single day for the past probably 2 weeks, and I genuinely think we should give it a shot. I think it's worth it. Seeing the growth from day 1 to day 100 to now to day 98 today has been insane. I mean, insane past anything I could have ever thought, and I'm super grateful for that. And I really think 365 days could be huge for this channel. Nobody's doing this stuff right now. I mean, people do daily vlogs and people do truck content, but nobody's doing daily vlog consistent content like this. Nobody's doing it. And if they are, then kudos to them. They know how fucking hard it is. And I genuinely think today is the day that this channel's gonna change forever, because we're making the decision to do 365 days. It started at 7 days, then I went to 30, then the goal was 100, and we fucking made it. We're 2 days away, and there's no sign of stopping. I think stopping is stupid. 2 weeks ago, if you asked me, I thought we should take a week off and then start season 2 and do another 100 days. But I genuinely think if we're gonna give this channel a real shot at being anything big, we should go 365 motherfucking days. And I think that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna leave you guys at that, so y'all can think about the fact that March 28th was the first day of this challenge, the very first day. So I want you guys to go home. If you're already sitting at home, that's great. Sit down and think about the fact that you're gonna have a video from me every single day until March 28th of 2021. Think about that. If that doesn't put a smile on your face, then I don't know what will. The Bread Gang will. Every single day at 8 o'clock, 9-ish, something like that, until March 28th, 2021. Hell yeah. I hope you guys are excited. Channel's not gonna be the same after today. We are getting to the bread, literally. I got some rebranding going on. I got a completely different side, just business I'm working on. By the end of the year, that's gonna go down. The Tahoe's gonna get done eventually. My truck's gonna get done eventually. Between now and the time March 28th comes around of next year, everything's gonna be different. Everything. And I hope you guys are excited for it, because I am beside myself. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Huge shout out to Nifty Nichols. And again, huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video at Beanie Light. Make sure y'all check them out on Instagram. Link in the description below. I will see you guys next time. That Wide Bow Tie out. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.